Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Lesson 4. Use your blessings properly. One day, Imam Sadiq alayhi salam was walking home from the masjid when he saw a half-eaten fruit lying on the ground in front of someone's house. Just then, a man walked out of the same house. He gave his salams to the Imam, and the Imam replied with a warm salam.
"Where did this piece of fruit come from?"
asked the Imam.
"It came from my house."
The man mumbled, feeling a bit guilty. The Imam was sad to hear this.
"But why?"
he asked with a worried look in his eyes. The man kept his head down in shame.
"If you have more food than you need, you can give it to the poor,"
said the Imam with a gentle voice.
"It's not right to throw food away when there are people out there who don't have enough to eat."
Eat and drink, but do not waste.
When someone wastes a blessing, it may disappear.